connect your negative. So the black is minus, which is negative. So black negative to the negative terminal, then the red positive to the positive terminal. And then you're gonna go ahead and turn your vehicle and start it. All right, then you're gonna go ahead, and depending on how weak your battery is, it might start right away or it might turn over like Look
at that. Oh, yes. We love Loki.
Okay guys, a couple things. You get a carrying bag. You got your air compressor line, your charging cable line. You have your positive and negative alligator clamps. Also, your air compressor, different connections. Love that. This is the jump starter air compressor, 2-in-1. Up to 150 PSI and up to 2500 amps. Place your 12 volt. Your alligator clamps go inside here. So you just plug that directly in. I love the display that they have on here. It is super bright. Press and hold to turn the flashlight on. You got a couple modes: flashing, slow flash, and off. Again, super bright. It's going to be excellent for if it's dark outside. You can adjust the brightness of the display. You have your modes, different custom modes on here. You got bar, PSI. Let's go ahead and connect our compressor line. For the compressor line, it's simple. Go ahead and just twist. Now, if it goes on hard, that means you got a bad start. So kind of line it up. Now that we're ready, press and hold. It does have an auto off feature, as you guys just saw. So once it hits your PSI that you pick, so let's say 47 PSI, press and hold the pump button. As soon as it hits that 47 PSI, it automatically turns off. Here you also have your battery level right on here as well. And just like that. Again, depending on how weak your battery was, it may just turn over for a little bit.